Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change the cover for the lower rack rollers on your dishwasher. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to replace the cover for the lower rack wheels, we'll need to take the rack completely out of the dishwasher. So remove any items that may be on that lower rack, and then we'll just set that on the work surface, and we can change out the cover. We'll remove the cutlery rack just to get that out of the way. Now, if the old cover is still intact, you'll need to remove that first. Now, to remove that existing cover, you'll need to lift up on it quite sharply. That will release the tabs. There are two in the center that you may need to slide a flat blade screwdriver into, but usually you can just pry up on them quite firmly and they will come off. The two tabs through the center, you would have to fit a screwdriver through the back side through that opening to release those. You can then discard the old cover. We'll clean up the wheel assemblies. We'll reposition the carrier, slide the wheels back on. Make sure that that carrier is pushed towards the front of the rack. And then we'll install the new cover. We'll make sure that we line up the two portions of that axle with the wheels. We'll press in firmly on the bottom of it first, and then snap the cover down. And now we're ready to put that rack back in the dishwasher. So we'll open up the door completely, place the rack in position, close it up, and your repair is complete.